So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made $7,750 on TikTok in the month of July. Last month, I made an insane amount of money as a TikTok creator. And in this video, I'm going to be transparent on ways that I started getting monetized on my TikTok creator fund, as well as how I started to make money on TikTok, to more importantly, help you guys start your journey of making money online, and especially on TikTok, because TikTok is a huge platform, a huge opportunity for creators and people like yourself to start making money. So jumping into this video, guys, before we get into the good stuff, if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and smash that subscription button, as well as go ahead and leave a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow, and more importantly, I want to help reach as many people as possible. So TikTok is a huge opportunity. Remember when I started this journey about 12 months ago, I had 0 followers, maybe 1,000 followers, and I was making no money on TikTok. Now fast forward 12 months later, last month, I made $7,750 on my TikTok account. Now right now, as you can see, we're seeing a little over 318,000 subscribers on my current TikTok account, which gives me a lot of leverage, which gives me a lot of social proof. But the one thing that I did learn before we jump into the actual how-to is that I learned that having a following on social media, building a brand on TikTok, allows you the opportunity to monetize and make money on this platform. Now I started getting revenue, or started getting monetized on TikTok when I probably hit around 50 to 60,000 subscribers, but I know that there are great ways you can start making money through the creator fund when you have your 10,000 first followers. So a lot of different ways to make money on TikTok. So go out there, start building your brand, build your niche, build your audience, and watch how much money will start flowing into your life. The first way that I made nearly 98% of all my money, I was able to generate $7,715 from this way of making money on TikTok, and that was directly through brand deals. Now I think this is the most profitable, the highest margin when you're going out there and making money on TikTok. And basically what you do, and what I did in the month of July that allowed me to generate $7,715 was promote 7 to 8 paid videos. So basically, when you have a following, 300,000 followers, brands, companies are going to be reaching out to you to represent products, service, and I got the opportunity to pick which companies do I want to work with. I had around 30 to 40 companies email me, ask me, hey Peter, can you represent this company? What I do is I wanted to find the companies that I really enjoyed, that could really help people, as well as I don't promote every product or service that comes my way. So I was very strategic on which products or ads that I run on my personal brand, and I was able to kind of just go through, and I found the 7 to 8 companies I wanted to work with. Now I was able to create videos that really provide value with the audience, as well as on the back end I was able to make money. Now how do I charge? How do you make money? What do you charge? Like if you have a following on TikTok, what should you do? Now for me, with 318,000 subscribers, my posts or paid posts that I'm charging right now, my clients that reach out to me that I want to work out with, they ask me, hey Peter, what is your fee for this service? So basically they'll hit you up with a product, they'll send you a link, you'll check it out, you'll see if you like this, and if so, you'll go ahead and send them a fee for you creating a video for them. Kind of how the process works. Right now my fee is at $800 to $1,200 per video. And even crazier, one of the videos that I did in the month of July generated me $2,000. Now here's how. Basically it was a 7-day trial with a company that has some type of service that I wanted to promote. They reached out to me. They said, what is your 1 week fee of leaving this link in your bio, for 7 days? I said $2,000. I really didn't know if I wanted to work with them, but I wanted to shoot a crazy offer. So basically I shot the video. I kept the link in my bio for 7 days, and I received $2,000. Absolutely insane. An absolute just mind-blowing way that you can make money on TikTok if you have a following. Now the reason I was able to charge $2,000 for a 7-day link in my bio is because my videos were generating around 3 to 4 million views every week, which meant that this customer is going to receive traffic on my page, which can help them make money, and I can get rewarded for that as well. So just a little strategic on the back end, being transparent on how I'm making money on TikTok through brand deals, and more importantly, I want to share that this is a huge opportunity for creators. If you have not yet started building your TikTok, social proof, getting out there on TikTok, guys, you can start making some insane amount of money, and I learned in the month of July that I could do it as well, and I'm so excited to continue with the process. Now the second way that I started making money on TikTok, and once you hit the 10,000 subscriber mark, follower mark, on TikTok, everyone is making money directly through the TikTok Creator Fund. Now, I want to share with you guys a few things that I learned about the TikTok Creator Fund. And honestly, it is not the most profitable way for you to start making money. It's not the most profitable way that I'm making money on TikTok, but it's a simple way that TikTok creators can get rewarded for posting videos on this platform. I love TikTok because it gives you a little incentive to go out there and post. So what you need to be is like 18 years old, you have your first 10,000 followers, and then you can start making money directly on the TikTok Creator Fund. Now, in the month of July, I made literally $35 and like 17 cents on my TikTok Creator Fund. I had around 15 million views in the month of July. Absolutely insane. But as you can see, not super profitable way for you to make money is directly on the TikTok Creator Fund. So guys, it's kind of how I was able to do it. Absolutely so stoked, still shocked, and excited to continue to have growth on my TikTok account. Like I said, guys, the whole purpose of this TikTok channel was not to make money on it, but what I realized is there's a huge opportunity. I feel like I can provide valuable information to my audience and I can get rewarded secondly by getting monetized through these brands, being very strategic. Try not to oversell your audience with something that I really focused on in the month of July, and I had some great companies that I really enjoyed working with. I met some incredible people and hopefully helped people with my content as well. So finding that fine line, learning that TikTok is a huge opportunity. It's only going to get bigger, it's only going to get better, and there's only going to be more money flowing into TikTok. So as a creator, you can get rewarded and start making money. So go out there, build your brand, post content, start getting monetized, leave your email in your description. A quick little side note is that people are going to be reaching out to you. So if you have your email in your bio, they find a place to go reach out to you, and a lot of brand deals are going to come your way as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I am so grateful for what we're doing on this community, guys. I'm just trying to be transparent on my wealth building picture, how I'm making money in my life, so you can do it as well. Let's build together. Let's build our future, and let's start growing as a team. Guys, if you need anything, hit me up. I'm here for you as always. Peter Roberts. Have a great rest of your week. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.